Assalamu alaikum. Hope everybody is doing good. Today we will be exploring the fun of sensory bags. And I will tell you 5 easy ways to make these sensory bags at home. So let's start with our first sensory bag. To make the first sensory bag, you need butter paper, vinegar, rice, food color or poster colors. Now add some rice in the bowl and add food color in another one. To the food color, add some vinegar, a few drops of vinegar, and start mixing it. Mix, mix, mix till it get dissolved. Now we are going to add that food color in the rice and mix it with the help of spoon or a popsicle stick. It's up to you. Okay, so we are making rainbow rice, a colorful rainbow rice for the sensory bag. Now you can take 3 colors, 4 colors or 2 colors, it's up to you. I have made in green, yellow and red color. So the same strategy applies to 3 colors. You have to add the color in the bowl, add some drops of vinegar and mix it and mix it with the help of spoon. Next step is you have to set them on a butter paper to let it dry for at least half an hour. Now you can see the dried final product. We have green, yellow and red rainbow rice. These rainbow rice are such a great treat for hand sensors and eyes. I like them. So here we have mixed all the rice, colored rice in a box. Now we are going to put it in a bag, a Ziploc bag. You name this a Ziploc bag or a plastic bag. You can put these in a bottle. It's up to you how you want your child to play with them. After putting the rice in the bag, in the Ziploc bag, you have to secure the bag with the help of tape from 4 sides. These are the things you need for the next sensory bag. So you need a water bottle filled up with water. You have to fill the bottle half. I have some toys over here, the water toys. These water animals expand in size and shape after being soaked in water for a while. These are the water beads. Same goes for them. You have to choose a Ziploc bag. Now we are going to put the water animals in the water bottle. I put them in the water for at least 1 hour and then I put them in the Ziploc bag. These water balls in a bottle or a jar or glass jar are one of my favorite ways to help a child with self-regulation. We often use this technique in the special schools when the special needs kids show some kind of tantrums or they're frustrated. So here we are with the water balls that we already put in the water. Now they are all done. We have to put them in the Ziploc bag. You can put them in a bowl and put some coins or random stuff in the bowl and let the child find out the coins from these squishy balls. What you have to do is now secure the bag, let the child enjoy it. This is such a great activity for the children who have some kind of sensory processing disorder. Let the children enjoy when they show tantrums or when they are frustrated. You can give these bags to the special needs kids. Now secure the bag with the help of tape from 4 sides. Now let's make another sensory bag with the help of paints. What you have to do is you need some oil, poster paints, glitter and a popsicle stick to take out the paints. Now open the Ziploc bag and pour down some poster colors. You have to choose colors that are bright and attractive for the child, or you can choose the colors that your child likes. It's a DIY activity, so your children can do it as well. Now pour the paints in the Ziploc bag. Children learn best and retain the most information when they engage their senses. Providing opportunities for the children to actively use their senses as they explore through sensory play is crucial for the development. So, always use sensory play to enhance the child's information and cognitive development, especially for the special needs kids, as their development process is slow. So, you have to always provide the opportunity of sensory play for your child. We have already poured the oil, now pour some glitter in the bag to make the activity more attractive for the child. Now evenly distribute the oil in the whole bag with the help of fingers and give it to the child to enjoy this activity. This is such a calming activity for the children who show some kind of sensory processing disorder. This really helps them to learn. I named this sensory bag as Fluff Paint sensory bag because the child has to use his hand sensors to evenly distribute the paint with the help of oil on all parts, and he can fluff the paint with his fingers. So it helps to build nerve connections in brain's pathway. So here we are going to make the sparkle sensory bag with the help of glitter and oil. All you have to do is at least take 6 to 7 teaspoons of oil. I choose the vegetable oil. You can take baby oil or vegetable oil. Add some glitter in the Ziploc bag and oil all together. I used a golden glitter and silver glitter. You can take any shade, any color, or any type of glitter. Mix the oil and glitter all together and smudge it with the help of fingers, and then give it to your child to enjoy the senses. On number 5, we are going to learn how to make animals pop-up sensory bag. These animals are easily available. These are called water animals basically. So these water animals are easily available in any kind of stationery shop. You have to soak them in water, as I earlier shown you the water beads which I soaked in water for a while. So you have to soak them in water for a while and they will expand in shape and size. You have to put some balls in it to make it more attractive for the child and colorful for the child. It's like an animal zoo sensory bag for the child. So let the child enjoy it. This animal sensory pop-up bag is very useful, a very interactive tool for the special needs kids to get engaged in their sensory activities for some while. These activities allow the children to refine their thresholds for different sensory information. So here we have a collection of 5 sensory bags. The very first one is a sparkle sensory bag. The other one is paint fluff sensory bag. This one is squishy balls bag. The other one is rainbow rice bag, which is very interactive for the child because of its bright colors. And this is animals pop-up sensory bag. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video, inshallah.